What's up, everybody? It's Fed Day, and Jerome Powell did the thing. So let's pick up the pieces. Market up or down? The market was obviously down today. We got smashed. But as we look at the brokerage account, we're about 20% in cash. So I didn't do a video yesterday. The market was up. Nothing to do besides make sure that your sell orders are in. And all the sell orders were already in from the previous video. So I just stopped. But yesterday, when the market was up, we did sell stock. So we've got EMBC sold. You can see I went in here and did a little reorganizing, make sure everything was in order. You know, when you run out of money, things get out of order. You know, you have to buy your smallest one, but you don't want to keep buying the same one. You want to continue to buy the smallest equity position you have to get the most bang for your average down money. So it looks like 7208 was the total here. We may just wonder, will that tell us what we got here? I think it will. Yep, that worked just fine. So we'll just do it that way. Keep it nice and simple. 52.72, and bank was 51.15. This is a little record keeping, but this is where we got the money. And we're up to $48.84. Awesome for a $2,600 account. Almost 2%. The market is down. So for a little big picture, this is very important. We're going to talk about this. We're 20% in cash, and the market is down from all-time highs. Roughly 5%. So everybody thinking this is a crash or you have money problems, these are excellent times while your account is small to fix your problems with your trading plan and get more safe. A lot of you have never seen any kind of a move down. This is not a big move down, but we're still in the zone, auto zone. So that being said, now we have everything in order, smallest to largest, and we need to put all the money in. NOG and Gentech. There's Gentech. NOG fell off the screener, but that is part of the safety net built into the program. And NOG is not on there. And it prevents you from continuing to dump money into, looks like it updated. And OG is still not on there. We got 4 tabs now. I had it pulled up when the market was closing. So we've got nice PEs. Add them up, divide by 2, make it under 15, or just add them up, make it under 30. We've got the dividend here, no debt at all, 2108. Gentech. It continues to go down, but that doesn't bother me at all. We're building a nice average cost, and that's going to allow us to get out on the rip your face off rally. That is how the market moves. Remember, we'll do a how to hack the PDT after midnight if these buy orders fill. little track I got. It's a little trick I learned. It definitely is helping me streamline some of these videos. Limit order, good till canceled, extended putt hours. 2108. Remember, I'm trying to keep position sizing to 1% of the total account. And that is that. So, full shares only. American Eagle and ABM. And we'll try to put it all in. There's 4 pages. We're likely to be able to put it all in again. And you'll get to see how we rinse and repeat and rinse and repeat. It's kind of a boring strategy, but it's very consistent. And I just want the money anyway. PEs are in range. Remember, this is over 15, but I want the average of the PE and the forward PE. We've also got dividends, debt, this fits 17 a quarter. This one's been getting really destroyed, percentage-wise. But that does not deter me. We're going to start having pretty big-sized dividends start to hit the account if the stocks do not sell. So, I'm not worried at all. Just one share here, 17 and a quarter. Remember to put the right price in or they will stick it to you. Oh. EBM was the other one. PEs, dividends, debt looks good. 37.46. Nice and easy. If you're still here, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. And again, share this with anybody who asks you for money. They need to know how to do this for themselves. Get their own money. Right. Must be kind of bullish because none of the orders are filling. We have LAZ and KBH. LAZ, Lazard, PE's fit, dividends there. Debt's very high, but it's under 4, 39.89. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. KBH is the one we're looking for now. Nice PEs, low debt, low dividend, but it's in there. 53.20. It's kind of exciting, get a little volatility. This is where I build all the alpha. And even though these moves are not very big, they're big enough to provide opportunity. And we're getting close to putting money in the investing account. So as the markets recover over time, that account will get the benefits. We have SM and FBIN. SM was the merger, so the cost basis is a little wonky on that one. But because we had our records, I think they might have gave us a little cash too. But we are going to follow through and stick to our original cost basis. SM, no. FBIN, Fortune. We got PEs, dividends, debt, 41.35. Almost down 10% if you look from our original purchase price. Still have about 300 bucks left, so we'll do our best to get it all in according to the plan. Limit order, get till cancel, extended hours. Got WAL and APAM. APAM's not on here. I just checked before we switch tabs, so we can skip over that one. There's Western Alliance. Got PEs, low debt, and dividends, 66.70. Big move down in this stock too. The stock market hadn't moved that much, but some of these stocks really move, and that's where you create the alpha. And that's why, in my opinion, if you have the right plan and the discipline, it's not that difficult to beat the markets. I just don't think it is. But you can't just halfway do it. You got to have a plan, I think. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. Yeah, I think a lot of folks just want the easy way out, so they just want to buy NVIDIA and do nothing, or Tesla, or insert whatever stock is in. Western Alliance 6670. We got the right price for whatever hot stock is. So we have Jeff and then Thor. There's Jeff. Nice PEs, good dividends. That's very high, but it's under 4, 37.99. It's starting to recover. Been a while since we were able to buy this one. Remember this WAL, I'll be able to put the sell order in after midnight. So if you put a little extra effort in, you can control your own destiny to a certain extent. You know, it does take all the small details. There's a nice fill. Now we have Thor and Lynn. We're running out of money, but we're doing the plan right. Thor. Everything fits. 78 flat. Stock always makes me giggle seeing that ticker. It'll take us back down to about 150 bucks here. We'll have to watch it as we go through these other ones, but 140. Yeah. Now I have LEN and H&R Block. H&R Block's not on there anymore. We got LEN is not on there either. PPG and then Whirlpool. PPG. PE's dividends debt 178 cents. That puts down to about 40 bucks. Limit order good till cancel extended hours. We got Whirlpool, which is $54. We do not have enough money for it. We only have 39. So next step, we go to the universe of stocks. I'm not saving any money for the next day. I want it all in if it fits the system. See if we got something for price. There's just too many tabs here. Price. Under 40. Perfect. Let this thing re-hit. Uh-oh. Am I going to lose you guys? There we go. Welcome back. So I'm looking for a stock, semi-universe. None of these are, which shows you it's not a deep correction. We're just barely down. None of these are. Okay. So next step of the trading plan, it's alphabetical. Puts us in all these banks. Yikes. But it fits 3381 AUB. I get nervous with the little banks, but this is part of the plan. So banks typically always have lower PEs, so it doesn't really mean it's that great of a value, but that's what we're working with. Come on, hang in there with us. We're almost done. I'm laid off this week, so let that be a little motivation for you folks. My dividends are way more secure than my paycheck. And you build your own passive income, your paycheck is just extra. But we're using to try to start the charity. I got $5 left. I don't think we need to go through looking for that. It's less than 1% of our account. So we've done our job. Need to take this thing all the way back. And big market down day, I know what happened with the Fed, but none of that affects my trading plan. You notice I traded exactly the same today as I did yesterday, the day before, and I just execute. And we'll have a few of these. We still have a couple hours. These orders can fill, these buy orders, and then we'll be back in here at midnight putting in sell orders. So I'm addicted to success. I hope you are too. Just an average dude. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just kind of showing you what I'm doing as part of document my journey. And but you got to make your own decisions, and you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So have a plan, learn first, and then put money in. And if you need a licensed advisor, go that route. But it's not for me. I don't think it's that difficult. This is how I do it. And if you got questions, let me know. Thank you all for watching, and we're just going to cut it off here. Fed up, huh? The old Fed. We're going to make some money.